Soil investigation in Sadar Bazar is an essential step in the construction and design process in Delhi. With its rich history and vibrant atmosphere, it attracts a significant number of people every day. However, before any construction or design work can begin in this area, a thorough soil investigation is necessary. A soil investigation involves studying the physical and chemical properties of the soil in Sadar Bazar. This investigation helps engineers and architects understand the soil's load-bearing capacity, stability, and suitability for construction. It is crucial to analyze the soil's composition, moisture content, density, and other factors that could affect the structural integrity of buildings and infrastructure. Sadar Bazar has seen significant changes and developments over the years, with new buildings and structures constantly being erected. To ensure the safety and durability of these constructions, a soil investigation is crucial. By understanding the soil conditions in Sadar Bazar, engineers can make informed decisions about foundation design, structural stability, and drainage systems. The soil investigation process typically involves several steps. Firstly, samples of the soil are collected from different depths using various techniques such as boring or drilling. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and chemical properties. Factors like moisture content, compaction characteristics, shear strength, and permeability are evaluated to assess the soil's suitability for construction purposes. The results of the soil investigation are then used by structural engineers and architects during the design phase of buildings or infrastructure projects in Sadar Bazar. The load-bearing capacity of the soil determines the type of foundations that can be used, whether it be shallow foundations like spread footings or deep foundations like piles or caissons. The soil investigation also helps determine if any special measures need to be taken to stabilize the soil, such as ground improvement techniques like soil compaction or reinforcement using geosynthetics. In conclusion, a comprehensive soil investigation is vital for any construction or design project in Sadar Bazar. The unique characteristics of the soil in this area must be thoroughly understood to ensure structural integrity and safety. By conducting a soil investigation, engineers can make informed decisions about foundation design, structural stability, and drainage systems. This ultimately contributes to the successful completion of construction projects in Sadar Bazar while ensuring the long-term durability and safety of buildings and infrastructure. Soil investigation plays a crucial role in any construction project, and Sadar Bazar, located in Delhi, is no exception. As one of the busiest and oldest markets in the city, Sadar Bazar has witnessed significant development and infrastructure projects over the years. Before undertaking any construction or design work in this area, it is imperative to conduct a thorough soil investigation to assess the soil's properties and suitability for the intended project.